So your rising sign is in Virgo. Your rising sign is very different to your other signs. This is usually the first impression that you give to people. So I like to call the rising the mask that we wear. In your case, your rising is in Virgo, which means the first impression that you give to people is that of a Virgo. With a Virgo rising, you do come across to be incredibly pedantic, incredibly critical, and very perfectionistic. Virgo rules your house of appearance, so you will appear to be perfect. The first impression you give to people is flawless. You do not show people your flaws when you meet them, and it does take them some time to discover the side to you that has flaws. So most people, when they meet you, they'll think, wow, this is literally the perfect person. With a Virgo rising, you also come across to be incredibly well structured and incredibly analytical and detail orientated. So you kind of create a more perfect, more put together image when you meet people, and that is not necessarily how you are. So who you truly are and what people see when they meet you is completely different.